With a history stretching back to the start of the millennium, Lenalea Electronics are the go-to assembly specialists. Catering to a wide customer base, our years of experience dedicated to contract manufacturing enable us to provide a wide range of quality assembly services to clients whose end markets include consumer goods, industrial machinery, scientific research, and data collection. At Lenalea Electronics, we're continually developing our business and production skills to meet current and future customer requirements. This is all assisted by our fantastic new factory, which opened in February 2018. Our new custom-built facility incorporates state-of-the-art equipment and technologies to ensure our products meet the highest quality and reliability expectations. All production is carried out in an ESD-controlled environment, ensuring that all items delivered are quality assured and fit for purpose. Alongside this, all our staff are trained to work to the relevant IPC standards by our own certified in-house IPC trainer. Our fully automated pick-and-place line gives us the speed and flexibility to place parts from 01005 metric up to 50 by 50 millimeters, while its live link to our stock control database ensures stock movements are carried out in real time. We also use AOI, which ensures precision inspection and rapid quality control of complex assemblies. This is used in conjunction with standard visual inspection to ensure that the workload is split effectively and efficiently between man and machine. Here at Lenalea Electronics, we don't just produce high-quality electronic assemblies. We also provide a range of other services to complement the PCBAs that we produce. We offer a cable assembly service along with functional tests, mechanical build, and quality control. This means that our customers can ship products direct from our line to their own clients. Beyond the quality and wide range of services offered, we believe that it's our responsiveness and dedication to each and every one of our customers which ultimately sets us ahead of our competitors. So why not give us a call today on 02837 552 752 or email sales@lenalea.com.